Hello, this is needlepointers.com, and I will show you how to cast on knitting stitches using the German twisted cast on. This is a variation of a long tail cast on that produces a little looser and neat edging. As you can see, this is an example and the edge is very loose. This method is ideal when knitting socks, mittens, or anything which needs a little stretch. Make a slip knot and place it on the needle. Place your fingers between the two strands and pull it back like it's a slingshot. The tail end should be around your thumb. Insert the needle under both strands on the thumb, go down through the loop, then across to the forefinger, looping over the top, and then come through the little triangle that you see in the yarn. Drop it off the thumb and tighten. Let me show you that again. Under both strands of yarn, through the loop on the thumb, over to the forefinger, going over the top, and then through the little triangle. It's a nice cast on stitch and it goes fairly quickly. See also our photo tutorial on how to do this stitch by clicking the iCard or the link in the description below. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and comment. Subscribe to our channel because we post new videos regularly. Also, follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and Google+. To follow us, just click the iCard or the links in the description. Visit our website, needlepointers.com, for more knitting tutorials and free projects.